Good morning, Bhaiyavan. Today we are going to read English grammar of class 3. The first lesson is about cursive letters. You have already read in class UKG 1 or 2. So we have to start our class with lesson number 2. In lesson number 2, we have to read about types of letters. Types of letters. How many types of letters are there in English grammar? There are 3 types of letters. 3 types of letters. How many types of letters? 3. There are 3 types of letters in English grammar, English alphabet. First type is vowel. V-O-W-E-L-S. Vowels. How many vowels are there in English alphabet? 5. There are 5 vowels. Which are 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. A, E, I, O, U. Second type is consonants. Consonants. How many consonants are there in English alphabet? There are 19 consonants. Consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, X, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. These 19 letters are consonants. Number of vowels is 5. Number of consonants is 19. This is the second type of letters. The third type of letter is semi-vowel. This type of letters are called semi-vowels. Which letters are called semi-vowels? Semi-vowels. Vowels. Semi-vowels. Which are semi-vowels? W and W, Y. These 2 letters are known as semi-vowels. total number of letters including vowels, consonants and semi-vowels is 26. So these are three types of letters. First type is vowels, second type is consonants, and third type is semi-vowels. Now we have to know what are semi-vowels. We have to know about semi-vowels. What are semi-vowels? Why these letters are called semi-vowels? Semi-vowels. These two letters, W and Y, are called semi-vowels. Why are they called semi-vowels? Because sometimes they give consonant sound and sometimes they give vowel sound. So they are called semi-vowels. Semi means आधा. ये आधे स्वर कहलाते हैं, वॉवल्स कहलाते हैं, क्योंकि कभी कभी ये वॉवल्स का काम करते हैं, वॉवल साउंड देते हैं, कभी कभी कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड देते हैं. When they give consonant sounds and when they give vowel sounds. When the letters Y and W comes in the beginning of a word, when these letters comes in the beginning of the word, they give consonant sound. The word is consonant, just like Y, A, K, yak. Y has come here in the beginning of this word yak, so its sound is yak. जब इसका कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड होगा तो उसमें वाई का उच्चारण या आएगा, या बोला जाएगा. और जब ये वावल साउंड आएगा तो जिस तरह से आएगा उसका उच्चारण उस वर्ड के अनुसार होगा. उस तरह से WL के वॉक, हियर W हैज कम इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड वॉक, सो इट इज गिविंग नाउ कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड एंड सो इट इज pronounced as walk. जब एक कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड के रूप में आता है W, तो इसका उच्चारण वॉक होता है. जब वोवल साउंड में आएगा तो इसका डिफरेंट हो जाएगा, वोवल साउंड ये देगा आ सही तरीके, इस तरह से जो भी आएगा इसका साउंड आएगा. सेकंड, when they come in the ending of a word, ending लास्ट में, जब ये दोनों लास्ट में आते हैं दोनों में से कोई, then they give vowel sound. जब इनका यूज लास्ट में होता है तो ये vowel sound देते हैं. just like here in the first word Y has come in the end of this word, so its sound is now vowel. It's giving vowel sound. The pronunciation of this word will be way. Way means rasta. In the second word, W has come in the end of this word, so it is giving now vowel sound, and its pronunciation is sha. So these are the differences between usage of semi vowels. So these letters W and Y are called semi vowels. Sometimes they give vowel sound, sometimes they give consonant sound. It depends on its use, its place, where has it come. Thank you, everyone.